You hit? No, I was asking if you were hit. Oh, that's good, because I'm on my last life. Well, I'm here now. On semi, try and get more accurate fire. Huh? Should probably use
an extra thing. I'm almost out. I'm on my second clip.
Mag.
Clip, mag, whatever. Whatever. I'm almost out. One of the two. Or both.
Would you like to use my Thompson?
I don't care. I like the Thompson.
Alright, well here it is. Here it is in full auto.
But I broke it down on semi. Right now.
Okay, well here's 2 extra mags.
Awesome.
300 rounds each.
Oops, sorry.
Oh,
you grab that one for me?
Yeah, sure. I was about to say. Yeah, here, let me go ahead and grab the AK so that way you have more room. Alright, so you have a bottle of BBs?
No, I don't. That's the whole problem.
Ah, well, it's fine.
Crap out of luck.
Well.
That's why I was saying, oh crap.
Oh, let me go ahead and put her on full, at least. Let me go ahead and pop this mag in here. Oh, dang, these AR mags fit the AK mag pretty good.
Yeah, I had him come down over here. He couldn't move.
Alright.
Trying to get his foot. I think I hear his leg about 12 times.
Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, that's not as satisfying as the Thompson rack.
No.
Alright, well, I'm going to go get them. Bitch. Alright, well, if you want to, you can move up with me. Alright. Well, you got more range with the Thompson, so. Yeah, I'm moving. Thanks. Yeah, she's got a pit. Brianna, where are they? What? Alright. You see them? No. Well, they're right here directly at our 12, so if we move. Yeah, I'm gonna move. We got you covered! Good Lord, this tri-optical thing is just not worth it. Really worth the plastic. Alright. He's hit! Garrity's not, though. No, Garrity's not. Nick is. Sorry for the overshoot, Nick. Yeah, he's hit. Nick's out. Is that your first or second time? Yeah, never mind. Bree, switch to some. Bree, you fall back. Oh. Oh, shit. Yep, Nick's got my, Garrity's got my position. Shit. What? No. You? Okay. Nobody. Damn this gun. Oh, shit. That would be Garrity, and I'm out of gas. You got the Allen key? No. Anyway, he's way back there. Got him! Garrity's down. Oh, by the way, Garrity, you're dead. What? Yeah, you're dead. Go ahead and go back to spawn. We won't shoot you. Or, yeah. Well, if the people were supposed to come, we would have had more, but you know what? It's one of those things. By the way, how you liking the Thompson? I'll... Well, I ain't gonna trade you for it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till at least own that thing 3 years before I consider trading. Oh, I will. Oh, I will. Oh, there he is. Yeah, yeah. Brianna, I'm on your right. Sorry I stole your kill.
That's okay. I don't care.
You alright?
Yeah.
Sweet. You dead, Nick? Dead? You dead, Nick? You dead?